Hey MotoStringer fans, this is Jay, your MotoStringer. In this next story, we're going to watch as LA City Firefighters and Rescue Paramedics attempt to rescue 4 women who were trapped in an overturned single-car crash on the southbound 110 Pasadena Freeway near Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles. Take notice of the civilians who are helping the firefighters and the paramedics get the patients ready to be transported in ambulances to hospitals. On the right side of the stretcher, the man with the white shirt, the tie, and the light blue jeans is Jeff Michael. He is the KTTV Fox 11 news anchor at 11. And there you see him with that pink bottle, which is a respiratory assist bottle, to help get the patient oxygen. Obviously, Jeff has medical training and EMT training to be able to provide that type of assistance. We're going to interview him at the end of the story to get his take on what happened there. But here is a civilian who just stopped as a good Samaritan to help out, as did these other men who you're watching here. Whether they knew the women or not, they rendered their aid. In total, 4 women were injured in this single car crash, 2 of them seriously. I've now climbed up high on the embankment to show you a wide shot of the overall crash scene. That red tow truck that you see pulling up on the right-hand side is going to attach chains to the underside of that vehicle and lift it up so the firefighters can get access to the 4th woman who is still trapped underneath that overturned car. And now you see the firefighters have gained access to underneath it, and they are removing the woman from the wreckage, and they're going to get her treated and transported to the hospital as quickly as possible. And now the firefighters and the paramedics are moving the woman onto a waiting stretcher. If you look at the helmet colors of the firefighters, you'll see that the blue one is the paramedic, the yellow ones are the engineers, and the orange ones are the fire captains. And now we're watching an LA City fire captain directing Rescue Ambulance 20 to a location in the crash scene. You'll notice quite a few ambulances in the background, and they're all numbered in a very specific way. The number on this ambulance says 20. That means they're a paramedic ambulance. Other ambulances might have an 820. The 8 would signify that it's a basic life support ambulance versus a non-8, which means that it's an advanced life support ambulance. So there again, you see that 20 on that ambulance door when it was opened. Los Angeles has several trauma hospitals, and the patients are loaded into specific ambulances based on which hospital they're going to be going to based on the severity of their injuries. The Highway Patrol arrived on scene of this crash before the first firefighters, and one of the injured women who was less severely injured was allowed to sit in the back of that CHP car until the paramedics could attend to her. In just a moment, you're going to be able to listen to 3 sets of interviews that are recorded at the scene, one from anchor Jeff Michael, the Highway Patrol, and the LA City Fire Department. Rescue 4 is now departing to an area hospital, and we'll see that the CHP is on scene. They are in charge of the investigation of this accident because it is on a California freeway. And here we see that the Heavy Rescue Unit is lifting up that overturned car, getting it from the other side of the guardrail where it flipped onto the freeway area where they'll have access to tow it away. You can support the MotoStringer channel by hitting the red subscribe button in the right-hand corner, and please give the video a big thumbs up like, ring the notification bell to be notified when we put up our next video, and I just wanted to take the time to let you know that I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the interviews. You're on scene. You're the first one on scene. Tell me what you saw when you got here.
You know what? There were just 3 women down on the ground, and one was unconscious. One was conscious and laying on her stomach, and then the other one was trapped inside the car. And I just tried to keep them warm and tried to talk to the one that was conscious, and then ran back and forth between the one who was trapped in the car and the one who was on the ground.
Call 911?
911 didn't work, and everyone was on hold with 911, so I called press relations with LAPD, and that goes to, I guess, their detective division or whatever, and they put me in touch with communications, and that's how we got the ambulance here.
You've been on the other side of reporting for many years. Now you're at the scene, first responder. How does that feel?
Now, you know what? I just hope they live, that's all. I just hope the women live.
Very good. You did a great job. Thanks. So give us a description of what happened here tonight on the 110 freeway. What do we know?
Okay, well, all we know now is it is a solo vehicle crash. 4 parties are involved. 2 are critical. The accident is still under investigation right now.
Understand we had a lot of resources, a lot of City Fire, Heavy Rescue. What can you tell us?
Hold on just one second. Go ahead and for a second.
Officer, again, say your name and which CHP office you're out of.
I'm Officer David Crossland. I'm out of the Central Los Angeles CHP office, and we're investigating a solo vehicle rollover. We have 4 parties involved, 2 critical. All 4 parties are being transported to county hospital. The accident is still under investigation right now, and it's unknown whether alcohol was involved.
It looked like all 4 parties might have been female. Can you confirm that?
That looks like, I believe so. I think they're all female. I haven't seen anybody yet, but I do believe that they're all female.
Very good. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Chief, can you identify yourself, please?
Yeah, my name is Andy Fox. I'm the Battalion 1 Commander for Los Angeles Fire Department.
Chief, can you give us a description of what happened here tonight on the 110 freeway and the resources involved?
Yes, at approximately 2:20 in the morning, the fire department responded to a reported physical rescue on the Pasadena Freeway. First companies on scene reported a single car high-speed rollover with 4 trapped victims. We used a total of 7 fire companies and 5 rescue ambulances, an EMS supervisor, and our heavy rescue unit, which is a large tow truck, in order to accomplish the physical rescue. The car was turned over, very badly damaged. All the patients were trapped. They were all extricated and were transported by 4 Los Angeles Fire Department rescue ambulances to LA County Hospital.
All 4 victims appeared to be female. Can you confirm that?
We have a total of 4 patients. We have a 30-year-old female, a 26-year-old female, a 19-year-old male, and a 30-year-old female.
Any idea at this point what might have caused the crash? I know it's not the fire department's job, but any idea?
No, that's under investigation with the Highway Patrol.
Tell us about the difficulty in rescuing the parties. I understand they were trapped pretty good.
Yeah, the car was very badly damaged. It was rolled over. It appeared to roll over several times, and the car was badly destroyed, so it took quite a while to extricate all the victims.